Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to use dark mode on YouTube. Friends, if you want to increase your view experience while watching videos on YouTube, then you need to install a extension named Turn Off Light on your Chrome browser. Now here on Chrome Web Store, I will search for Turn Off the Light. Now on the top of the list, you will find the extension for YouTube. Now here click on Add to Chrome. Now click on Add Extension. Now as you can see, our extension is installed on our Chrome browser. Now I will open youtube.com. Now on YouTube I will play a video. Now I will enable turn off light extension from this extension tab over here. Now friends, as you can see, it has darkened all the web page except our video part and give a very cinematic look to our YouTube experience. So friends, like this you can very easily increase your YouTube experience by the help of this extension. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.